Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to buy USDT on the Tron network, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to easily do that by using USDC on Ethereum and bridging it over to USDT through DeFiWay.com. By the end of this video, you'll be able to bridge your tokens between Ethereum and Tron like a pro. Let's dive in. How do we buy USDC? We will be using PayTrie for this. First, head over to PayTrie and log into your account. If you don't have one, no worries, it's super easy to set up. Now, select USDC on Ethereum and choose the amount you want to buy. For this example, let's say you want to grab $100 worth. Next, grab your Ethereum wallet address. If you're using MetaMask, Coinbase, or Exodus, this is where you'll send your USDC. Time to complete the payment. PayTrie will guide you through using Interac eTransfer. It's a quick and easy process. Now click on Pay with Interact and find your bank institution in this list and log in and accept transfer. Once you complete the payment, your USDC will be sent to your Ethereum wallet. Just sit tight. It should arrive in about 60 minutes. Now, let's head over to DeFiWay.com. DeFiWay is a cross-chain bridge that allows you to move assets seamlessly between different blockchains. Whether you're moving from Ethereum to Tron or to any other supported chain, first things first, you'll need a wallet. For this video, I'll be using MetaMask for Ethereum and TronLink for Tron. Make sure you have both wallets installed and set up before we begin. You'll see a simple interface with two sections, From and To. For From, choose Ethereum and select USDC as your token. Then for the To section, choose Tron and select USDT. Enter the amount of USDC you want to bridge. Just keep in mind that there might be a small fee for the transaction, which you can see here before confirming the transfer. After confirming, wait for a few minutes. You should see the USDT arrive in your TronLink wallet on the Tron network. You can check it by simply opening your wallet and refreshing the page. It's that easy. Your USDC has successfully been bridged to USDT on the TRC20 network. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more easy crypto guides, and drop a comment if you've got questions or want to see more tutorials like this.